Hello, my name is Kyle. I'm a type 1 diabetic, and you're here probably for the same reason I am. We're trying to factory reset our Omnipod controller device. After several failed attempts to bring the device back to life from this initialization page, being stuck at task 19 of 29, after consulting the forums and other questions and Omnipod support and whatnot, the last resort is a factory reset. And you know what? I don't like it either, but we're going to do it. So the way we factory reset this thing is on the side, the volume buttons and the power button. We're going to press the volume up button and the power button at the same time while the device is on, and you'll feel a vibration. Once you feel that vibration, let go and then press those buttons simultaneously again. And then one more time, and then the reset prompt will pop up, and then you'll have to go through those prompts. A couple of reminders here and there that you need to discard your current pod, your data's being lost, blah, blah, blah. And with any luck, it will be reset into factory mode and you start all over. And it looks like this one worked. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, I doubt I have the answer, but I can try and look for it. And stay safe out there.